Hello, you guys. How are you doing? Thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, right in our kitchen. Today, I'm in my kitchen and I am going to be making some shortbread. It's a public holiday and I just want to do something. So, come along with me. Let's do it together. God bless you. So, our first ingredient is going to be 3 level cups of flour sifted. So our sugar is 1 cup of sugar, 284 grams of butter unsalted, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt. So if you're using a standing mixer, the first thing that we need to do is to put in our butter, and we're going to be whisking the butter for 2 to 3 minutes. So the next thing is finely mixed. So I'm going to go in with my sugar. I just pour my sugar in and I'm going to allow it to mix together. You can use your icing sugar, but I'm not using icing sugar for today. So the next thing I'm going to be pouring is my salt, which is 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'll be adding in my flour, so I'll be mixing it. So we're mixing it in the lowest of our mixer speed. So we'll mix for the next 2 to 3 minutes until everything gets combined. After 2 minutes, it's combined already. Have a look at it. So now I'm going to be adding in my vanilla. And I'll just mix everything together. One more. And that's it. It's ready. Have a look at it with clean hand. This is what we're looking for. So I'm going to be bringing it out from my bowl. And here is it. So I'll be putting them just, you can put it in paper, but I'm using my parchment paper here to just straighten them up. going to wrap I'm just wrapping them up. And fold it over. And I'm also folding over here. So I'm going to be putting it in my freezer, or you can put it in your fridge for at least 1 hour so that it will rest and be bound together. So see you then. So I'll be putting it into my baking pan. Just put some space in between. And I just put my fork to make some design. So now we're done cutting. So we're able to do some squares. So you can shape it to any size you want. You can use your cutter and shape it to any size that you want. So now we're going to be baking for 15 minutes in 180 degrees. So it's ready. Voila! Have a look at it. It's ready. After 15 minutes, it's ready.